This is the goat shed. We have goat shed here. Oh, this one has a big one. Oh, okay, this is the cattle manager here. But we have cattle here, bulls. There's some chickens in the farm here. They're just roaming around here in the cattle yard. This is the head here. We have about actually about 300 cattle here. If you can see them, we just have a very big rain last night, so it's very muddy here. So it's early in the morning. We have to release them around 8 o'clock. Release them to the field for them to graze. At the moment, we didn't separate them. As you can see, we have calves also in the head here. There are some calves here. So this is CPL, plantation Ulaveo, the cattle range here. We also have horses. We have 4 horses here. These are the 2 horses. These are the other 2 horses here. We have them here. These are the other 2 horses. So we just put them in the head here. We don't use them yet. We wait to get their bells and before we use them. So we have the cattle here. They are tagged with the numbers on their ears. Hi, buddy. Morning, morning. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone, and follow for more video. Thank you.